Hello, my name is John, and today we will be talking about different facts for a certain animal, and that animal is the Rock Hyrax. Okay, so the Rock Hyrax, or otherwise known as the Procavia capensis, is full of surprises. While it looks like a slightly more robust version of a guinea pig, it's no rodent. These squat, furry animals are found across Africa and the Middle East, where they like to hang out in rock formations and the seemingly inhospitable nooks on sheer cliff faces. Rock hyraxes are gregarious, living in colonies of up to 80 individuals. They grow up to 2 feet in length and about 10 pounds in weight. Is that rock hyraxes spend a lot of time sunbathing. The rock hyrax spends about 95% of its time resting. This can involve heaping, in which animals pile on top of each other inside a den, or basking in the sun. Both behaviors are compensations for the hyrax's poorly developed thermoregulation. They tend to stay in their burrows until the sun is high in the morning and may not leave their dens at all on cold, rainy days. Fact 2, they have multi-chambered stomachs. Although they are not ruminants, hyraxes have three-chambered stomachs filled with symbiotic bacteria that help break down the plants they eat. Baby hyraxes are not born with the bacteria. They will need to digest the plant matter, so to obtain it, they eat the poop of adult hyraxes. Fact 3, they have tusks. The rock hyrax has a pair of long, pointed tusk-like incisors. Males have larger, sharper tusks than females. Fact 4, they're related to elephants and manatees. Modern hyraxes are members of the Procavidae family, the only living family within the Hyracoidea. During the Eocene era, hyraxes of all sizes filled the plains of Africa, from a mouse-sized species to one of the size of a small horse. Competition from bovids during the Miocene displayed these ancient hyraxes, while some evolved into the hyraxes we know today. Other appear to have given rise to the elephant and sirenian, manatees, and dugongs families. Evidence supporting a common ancestor for hyraxes, elephants, and sirenians comes from some unusual shared characteristics, like elephants, manatees, and dugongs. Male hyraxes lack a scrotum and their testicles remain nested in their abdominal cavity. The tusks of the hyraxes develop from the incisor teeth. Like elephant tusks and most other tusked animals, the tusks develop from the canine teeth, and hyraxes, like elephants, have flattened, hoof-like nails on the tip of their toes, rather than the curved claws seen on some other mammals. Fact 5, rock hyraxes have padded, sweaty feet. Rock hyrax feet have black rubbery pads that are moistened by numerous sweat glands. The pads lift up in the center for a suction cup-like effect that helps them keep their grip on rocky surfaces. Fact 6, hyraxes are not kosher. Hyraxes have several shoutouts in the Old Testament where they are described as lacking a split hoof and therefore being non-kosher. They're also incorrectly alleged to chew their cud, probably because of the chewing motions they make for communicative purposes. And in Proverbs, the Rock Hyrax is included as one of a number of animals that is small yet exceedingly wise. The rock badger, another name for the Hyrax, are a people not mighty, yet they make their homes in the cliffs. Fact 7. They have a smelly gland on their backs for communication and territorial marking. The Hyrax's dorsal gland may be surrounded by black, yellow, or orange hairs and secretes an odor they use to mark rocks. The gland is most visible in the dominant male, and pheromone production from the gland is most intense during the breeding season. Fact 8. Their testes change with the seasons. Rock hyraxes live in colonies, usually dominated by a single male who aggressively defends his territory and females from rivals. During the breeding season, the dominant male is especially territorial and aggressive, and his testicles can grow 20 times larger than their non-breeding season. Fact 9. They have a special claw for grooming. Hyrax toes have rounded hoof-like nails except the inside rear toe, which has a long nail called a grooming claw. The grooming claw is used to pick through hair and scratchy, itchy spots. Fact 10. Rock Hyrax songs are complex and use syntax. Rock hyraxes have at least 21 different vocalizations, including trills, yips, grunts, wails, snorts, twitters, shrieks, growls, and whistles. Males also sing complex songs that can last for several minutes and serve a territorial purpose like birdsong. When researchers looked at how males put together different syllables, wails, chucks, snorts, squeaks, and tweets, to compose a song, they found the order of syllables was significant. That is, Hyrax songs make use of syntax, the manner in which different elements are combined. They also find Hyraxes from different regions used different local dialects in their songs. This information was found at https://www.wired.com.